Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to apply for California EV rebate. Now, before we get started with this video, as you can see, effective of November 8, 2023, a CVRP is closed to new applications. Now, applications will be still available in the next upcoming months. However, right now, all applications received on and after September 6, 2023 will be placed on standby list and are not guaranteed to receive a rebate. Now, basically, how can you actually go and what is the rebate process? Now, as you can see, to apply for a rebate, you need to submit an online application, and then the project administrator will reserve funds for your rebate. Submit supporting documentation within 14 days from the date you submitted your online application, and that's when you will be able to get basically your rebate. Now, obviously, as you can see, you'll need to log in here and you'll need to basically go and submit your rebate. Now, how can you go to this website? You basically go here, type in how to apply for California EV rebate, and you'll need to go here and apply for rebate. Once you click here, you will be able to go and submit a rebate. Now, as you can see, currently they are not accepting any new applications, but usually you will be able to go here and apply for a rebate. Now, as you can see, you can either go to login as well, and then you can apply through login as well. So that's pretty much how to apply for a rebate. It's very easy, very simple, but as of right now, they're not accepting new applications, unfortunately. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys find this useful, and we'll see you in the next video.